Welding type. Welding is a joining process of materials. By applying heat and pressure to the materials being joined and to the filler material, a weld pool is created and it forms a strong joint when it cooled. Arc welding. Arc welding is the formation of a welding arc between the electrode and the material being welded, usually metal, with the usage of a power supply and electrodes. Shielded metal arc welding. The electrode is coated in flux. That flux is then used to lay the weld. This process is generally called stick welding. Mig welding. The process is boiling down the combining of two pieces of metal together with a wire. After that, the wire passes through the welding stick that is shielded by an inert gas. Flux cored arc welding. Flux cored arc welding uses a special wire filled with flux and shielding gas. Submerged arc welding. Combination of ferrous steel and nickel-based alloys are done with submerged arc welding. Tig welding. It uses a non-consumable tungsten electrode with an inert argon gas. Tungsten is used for its high purity and hardness. The heat is created by electric flow through a tungsten electrode in this method. For detail, please visit my YouTube channel and please subscribe. For detail, please visit my YouTube channel and please subscribe.